Okay, here we are. We are in Havana, Illinois, 276 miles away from home. We found a cool little camp spot down here by the Illinois River, actually. So me and Philip's gonna, bids are not busy. The camp host is actually letting us have a RV spot so we can park the bikes on the blacktop, and we're gonna move the picnic table here up on the slab, and then we'll set our tents here right next to the slab. So $25 for the night for both of us to camp. Not a bad deal. Talk at you later. Two of the Alaska trip. We are camping at a spot in a little RV camp. It's called Lake Canelia Campground, and it's over here not too far from Davenport, Iowa. So we rode 346 miles today to get here, and now it's time to get off here and get cleaned up and get ready for another day tomorrow. Talk to y'all later. It was very windy here today and very hazy, by the way, and high of, it's close to 90 degrees today, so it was a warm one. We'll talk to everybody tomorrow, Lord willing. Philip went to the Grand Canyon and camped every night. Never ran into any rain, never ran into any storms. This is day 2 of our Alaska trip, and well, let's just say it's just the opposite. It's thundering, lightning, pouring down rain. The wind is really good out. Yeah, so I guess we will do. Hopefully this blows over without any damage to equipment or bikes, tents, our bodies, persons. Just thought I'd give a little update. It's been a long night. It's 1 o'clock here in Iowa. It's 1 o'clock a.m. here in Iowa. So, not gonna get much sleep tonight, don't look like. Take care.
current condition. Thunderstorms, 6 a.m. It's been raining ever since last night. About, I don't know, 11 o'clock started. Very windy last night. Severe storms went through. So now it looks like there's well, we survived the severe wind stuff. So now it looks like it's going to be raining for the next several hours. Thunderstorm. So, do what we're doing. Looks like it might be a lazy day today since we had a good day yesterday. See you later.
It's day 3. We're here at Clarion, Iowa still, where we set up camp last night. Storm rolled through during the night, poured down, wind, thunder, lightning, and looks like it's going to be raining all day today. Right now there's a little window where it's just sprinkle, and here we are. Supposed to get heavy again here in about 3 hours, so probably not going to ride today. I think we're just going to probably hang out here and endure the rain, and instead of having to pack up wet equipment and then turn around and probably unpack wet equipment for another night, so might as well just stay here and see how it fares. So Phil set us up a little canopy here to sit underneath to get out of the rain a little bit while we're waiting this out. So here we are, day number 3, 0 miles.
Yep.
There's the baller.
Yeah.
There you go.
This is the end of day 3 here in Clarion, Iowa. And we didn't ride today. It's rained most of the day, 3/4 of the day. Finally got a little, it's finally stopped raining now. It's like 5 o'clock. So it's been a day. So anyway, our goal tomorrow is we're 70 miles from Minnesota. So our goal is to get as far into Minnesota, if not all the way through if we can. We're 360 miles away from North Dakota, which is where we need to go into Canada at if the forest fires aren't real bad there. But anyway, that's our goal, is to go up into Canada and out of North Dakota border crossing. So we shall see how far we get tomorrow. So at least we've had all day to kind of rest. Philip didn't get to rest a whole lot because he had to ride one way a little over an hour to get a hardened bolt for the axle for the little trailer that he bought, and then of course had to ride back. So I think he was gone maybe 2.5, almost 3 hours, because poor guy had to ride in the rain there and back. So I stayed back at camp. I offered to go with him, and he said no. no need bolos getting wet, so I stayed here and held the fort down, so to speak. Anyway, this is the end of day 3. It's supposed to get down to 48 degrees tonight. It's currently like 58. I think it's the highest it ever got today was 58. And it's been breezy and rainy all day, so it's been a cool, wet day. Over and out. Talk to you tomorrow on day 4, June the 4th, Jane's birthday.